In this video, we're going to be adding powers of I, and yeah, let's get started. So we know powers of I, and hopefully you've memorized I squared, I cubed, I to the fourth, I to the fifth, and I to the sixth. -1, negative I, 1, I to the sixth is -1. So as you can see, we have -1, negative I, 1I, -1, so on and so forth. So we know that, and now that we know that, we should have this memorized, as I explained in the last video. Refresher done, we're going to move on. So let's say we have a problem. We have I to the 8th plus I to the 16 plus I to the, I'm going to do 2000. Now, of course, if we pay attention last video, multiple of 4, 8, 16, and 2000. All multiples of 4. So we have 500 divided by 4 multiplied 8, or not 8, 4 times 4, and 4 times 2. They all go in, regardless. So they all go in, which means this is just I to the 8th, 1, I 16th, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is just 3. So we have 3 as our answer. Let's try another example. Say we have I to the 6th plus I to the 17th plus I to the 90. Actually, we're doing I to the 19th. Yeah. All right. I to the 6th, if we memorize, I to the 6th is just the same as I squared. I squared is -1. First one down, -1. On to the next one. Adding it to I to the 17th power, we know that 16 is a multiple of 4, and I to the 17th can be written as I to the 16th times I. I to the 16th is just 1. 1 multiplied by I is I. So this is just I. Then plus, we have 1 to the 19th. So we already know that 20 is a multiple of 4. But we also know that 16 is a multiple of 4. So I'm going to choose the 16 since we're adding. 1 to the 16th multiplied by I cubed. And I to the 16th is 1 multiplied by I cubed. And I cubed is negative I. So this is minus I. Minus 1. I minus I. That's 0. They cancel. -1 is our answer. So that's both two examples of adding powers of I. Hopefully this video helped, and yeah, that's adding powers of I.